yes, in SQL Server 2008. In 2012, it's called Data Tools. So if you go to your search and look for SQL Server Data Tools and you open it for the first time, you see something like this. And I have to create a project. In this case, I'm actually starting on SSIS. So you can actually go here and say new project, or you can also go from here. So it's a new project here, and here under business intelligence, you have three sections: analysis services, integration services, reporting services. So I'm selecting integration services. So this integration services, you can select this first one, and it says ETL and all this definition about the project. So the location is important. Actually, it goes by default to the user. Under user documents. Okay, administrator is my user. Under documents, Visual Studio 2010 and projects, because this is 2012, so it uses Visual Studio 2010 components. So in this case, I'm actually going to browse and put my SSIS project into my own folder, SSIS here. I actually created this project before. So I'm going to go and actually work on it in SSIS examples. So this should be my folder. So I'm just selecting this as my folder. And what would you name it as? So say SSIS. Okay. So and just create directory for solution. So it creates an SSIS directory for that solution. It has the solution file and all the bin and the packages information inside. I'm not going to create the project, but I would like to show how it can be created. I'm just saying cancel here, okay? But I'm going to go and open project, which is in my SSIS folder, which I already created. So this is my solution file. So sln.sln stands for solution file. So whenever you create a project with something like SSRS, SSAS, SSIS, you have the solution files. So the solution file is actually a root file which has links to all the files or all the packages and data sources involved. So I'm going to open this SSIS. Open. Okay. So it's going to open my SSIS project here. So in this package, as you can see, that there was one warning. I'm just closing this. So this is called Solution Explorer. So SSIS is my project, and you have something called Connection Managers and SSIS packages under my SSIS packages tab. So I have three packages here. So I can click on any one of them. So I'm just clicking on SQL.dtsx. So when you double click on it, you will see a pane to the left, which will have your components in your package. So here it is data flow task is crossmark because I don't have my connection manager here, or local host adventure works doesn't exist here. I copied it from my other system. So, but to give you in a general sense, so every package contains control flow. This is control flow, data flow, parameters, event handlers, and package explorer. Okay. So coming to control flow, it is like a control flow for all the project. And one of the tasks which we use regularly is data flow task, which mainly includes components like connecting to a raw file, connecting to a database, doing your transformations. But apart from data flow task, you can do so many other tasks like process task, script execution task, starting SSAS package, and you can write script components, FTP task, all these tasks. So control flow is like the control of the workflow in which you want to build your logic for the desired ETL requirements you have. So it involves many components. So how you can see that? So there is a toolbox here. But if it's missing, you have to go to View. So you can see Object Explorer, Toolbox, and Solution Explorer here. So Toolbox is here. Okay. As of now, there are no items. So I'm going to go in here, and if you go here, I don't see it as well. So it's on development. So this is actually pointing to localhost.adventureworks. I don't think I have AdventureWorks here, but we'll see on how to configure AdventureWorks and how to get a toolbox working in the next video. Thank you.